If you're curious about the brand new VideoPal AI software and wondering if it's actually worth your time, stick around. I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before using it. And number 7 is something that could completely change how you use AI for your business. And yes, you can try VideoPal AI completely free using the first link in the description below. Alright, let's jump in. VideoPal AI just launched, and it's already getting a lot of buzz, mainly because it promises to let anyone create AI-powered video spokespersons without hiring actors, editors, or even needing to be on camera. That's huge for marketers, agencies, course creators, or really anyone trying to boost engagement with video. First off, the user interface is extremely beginner-friendly. You don't need to have any editing experience. You simply choose an avatar, type in your script, and the AI generates a hyper-realistic spokesperson that delivers your message in seconds. The avatars are fully customizable: tone, pacing, gestures, even emotion, and they're powered by some of the most advanced text-to-video models out right now. This isn't your standard robotic avatar stuff. VideoPal AI uses natural-looking eye movements and lip syncing that actually feels human, especially when using the premium voices. One powerful feature I didn't expect: the multilingual support. You can generate spokesperson videos in multiple languages with accurate accents and localized delivery. If you're targeting international audiences or want to sell globally, this is a goldmine. Now let's talk integrations. VideoPal AI connects with platforms like Shopify, ClickFunnels, and WordPress, letting you embed these avatars directly onto your website, landing pages, or sales funnels. That's conversion-focused design baked in. What I love from a digital marketing perspective is how it lowers friction. Instead of hitting visitors with walls of text, you greet them with a human-like face, delivering your pitch in 30 seconds. That instantly increases time on page, retention, and even boosts opt-ins or sales. Now here's what most people won't tell you. There's a smart lead capture feature built in. The AI avatars can actually interact with visitors, ask for their name or email, and collect leads while you sleep. It's like having a 24/7 salesperson on your side. And finally, pricing. There's a free trial, so you can test it without spending a dime. But even the paid plans are affordable, especially compared to hiring actual video talent or using traditional production teams. You're cutting both cost and time dramatically. Now, I mentioned earlier there's something game-changing you should know. Here it is. VideoPal AI isn't just for marketers. I've seen coaches, real estate agents, e-commerce store owners, even dentists use this to boost trust and drive more conversions. The versatility is next level. Again, the link to try VideoPal AI for free is in the description. And if you're curious what other AI tools I personally recommend after testing thousands of them, check out the full list of my top AI software picks, also linked below. You'll find tools that can write, design, sell, and even automate entire parts of your business. Thanks for watching. Now go explore what's possible.